It's late, the room is dark, and you're taking one more scroll through your feed before bed. Suddenly, an ad surfaces for a product you didn't know you wanted until this exact second. You're aware that rent is due next week, and your budget is tight. You have every intention of closing the app and going to sleep, yet your thumb navigates to the checkout button anyway. This urge is an inheritance from ancestors who survived by prioritizing immediate resources. In an environment of scarcity, consuming what was in front of you was a reliable strategy for staying alive. That ancient survival software is now operating in a modern financial world. This late-night purchase isn't a moral failing, it's a biological glitch triggered by 21st century commerce. Scientists refer to this glitch as hyperbolic discounting or present bias. It describes our tendency to overvalue rewards that are available right now. This chart shows how the perceived value of a reward changes over time. While a logical exponential model stays steady, the hyperbolic and quasi-hyperbolic lines show a steep drop-off in value the moment a reward is delayed into the future. That demand for immediate reward is processed in the limbic system. Seeing an item activates this region, generating an urgent drive to acquire it. Opposing this is your prefrontal cortex, your analytical center, calculating the long-term cost. Choosing to wait is a split-second structural battle between these two incompatible brain regions. Acquiring a desired object triggers a release of dopamine in the brain, creating a powerful sensation of pleasure. However, the act of spending also engages the insula. This is the same brain region that processes physical pain, and it activates whenever we part with our resources. For centuries, handing over physical cash meant feeling this pain of pain in real time. That stinging sensation in the insula acted as a natural regulator for our spending impulses. In 1959, the arrival of the modern credit card marked the beginning of abstracted payment. By replacing cash with a card, the physical act of loss was separated from the act of purchase. Removing the tangible exchange of currency severed the brain's natural financial defense system, allowing the pleasure of the reward to override the signal of pain. Digital marketplaces are specifically designed to maximize that dopamine hit while muffling the pain response. Frictionless payments, like saved cards and one-click buying, eliminate the steps required to complete a transaction. This removes the time your prefrontal cortex needs to intervene and stop the impulse. Buy now, pay later schemes push the cost of an item into a future financial period. To your brain, the pleasure of the item feels immediate, while the cost feels distant and abstract. Retailers also use cross-period impatience. By using countdown timers and flash sales, they exploit your subjective sense of time, creating a false urgency that triggers an immediate checkout. On a timeline, these small, frictionless purchases begin to stack. As interest begins to accumulate, the mathematical weight of these decisions grows exponentially. Digital debt is effectively the present self taking resources from the future self because the digital environment has successfully bypassed our evolutionary alarms. Since the problem is structural, the solution is environmental. This is known as choice architecture, designing your surroundings to favor better decisions. Fighting a multi-billion-dollar digital environment with sheer internal effort is a mismatch. These platforms are optimized to trigger your oldest instincts, making traditional willpower an unreliable defense. The strategy is to use behavioral nudges to re-engineer your own environment, shifting the advantage back to your prefrontal cortex. Solving the glitch means intentionally reintroducing the friction that technology companies have spent decades removing. Start with the 24-hour rule. By forcing items to sit in a digital cart for a full day, you give the prefrontal cortex the time it needs to dampen the emotional urge of the limbic system. Use a cash-based system for discretionary spending. Forcing yourself to physically hand over bills reawakens the insula, reintroducing the necessary pain of paying. You can also automate your savings. By moving money into an investment account the moment your paycheck arrives, you pay your future self before your present self has the opportunity to spend it. Perform a trigger cleansing. Removing saved cards, Apple Pay, and push notifications stops the impulse loop before it can even begin. Take the 7-day challenge. Delete your saved payment methods from all your devices. Controlling your digital environment is the only way to reclaim control of your financial timeline.